Hi, this is Doc Cecil Apostolo of Bastana Properties and Development Corp. And as promised to you, once our 40 square meter house is finished, I'm going to show it to you. So here it is. This house we're going to turn over in a few minutes. So before we turn it over, that's why you can see the balloons here and all the stuff, because we're going to turn it over within a few minutes. But before we do that, let me show to you what or how big is a 40 square meter house. But actually this house is 46 square meters, but I'm going to show you hanggang saan yung 40 square meters, because the owner of the house, because our house is customized, requested na merong additional na 6 square meters. Tara, tingnan natin, pasok tayo sa loob. Pero bago tayo pumasok, pakita mo muna yung labas, kasi very cute yung labas ng bahay natin, diba? So it's a very cute house. This is actually house ng mga retirees, ng ang mga magulang ay mga anak ay may kanya-kanyang buhay na. So they decided to get a smaller house for them, no? At dito nakita nyo lang meron ditong wire, no? Itong wire na to actually ay temporary, just to test yung mga electrical facilities natin and everything and connections, no? Pero aalisin din dito. Okay? So let's go. Pasok tayo sa loob. See, dito sa parang pinakalanay niya, maganda yung kanyang mga stones and everything, no? So this is our standard door, which is a hard wood, no? Na kiln dried. Yan. Pasok tayo. Yan. So this is inside of the house. You can see we have may dekorasyon yung ating ceiling, no? And stuff. And this is the cute living room, no? And we have also the windows here. We showed them the windows. Ayan. So, itong windows na to ay meron pang sandpaper, no? So, this is the standard UPVC window. Mapansin nyo, very smooth yan. This is better than analog windows. Meron pa siyang anong tawag dito? Screen. Okay? So, let's continue here inside. Ayan. Para hindi kayo dito, sasarap ko na itong dito. So, this is a small space for a dining area. And this is the kitchen. No? So ito ang standard natin na both for the floorings and the kitchen is the synthetic granite tiles. Then we have the overhead kitchen cabinet, and also below the sink and the countertop we have the cabinets then also. And then we have another door here that's leading to the dirty kitchen or the slop sink. These are standard features of the house, no? So you can see here the slop sink, no? And then medyo na simentohan din dito, and then pakita natin dito sa likod ko na itsura ng bahay. So it's completely finished, no? Yung buong bahay, no? So yan. Okay, let's go back inside. Sorry naman po, medyo padumi pala yung aking paa. Finish natin. Nadumihan siya. So this is the toilet and bath. No? So let's open the light. Yan. So as you can see, we have a very nice toilet and bath. Yan yung flooring. Choice po ng may-ari, yung mga tiles na. And the tiles is from floor to ceiling. So, hindi pinintukahan yung kalahati. No? Of course, wala nang tiles yung kisame natin. Okay? So, that's our toilet and bath. And we also have the, lavatory. No? The lavatory, and we have the shower and everything. Very nice. Okay? So, the size is very comfortable. Now, we go to the bedroom. So, 40 square meters is a 2-bedroom house. Isasara ko ito kasi may importante akong gagawin. Okay. So, the 40 square meters is actually up to here. No? So, this is the additional room. So, kung 40 lang ito ipapagawa mo, wala ito. This is the 6 square meter room. Now, let's go inside the bedroom. Okay? So, here is the bedroom. Ayan. So, this the cute bedroom, no? And then, dito yung, meron din tayong built-in cabinets here. Okay? So, this is one of the bedrooms. Then, let's go to the other room. Ayan. So, na yung mga cabinets, hindi na kasi electric po kasi it's new. Okay, so here, so we have the standard fixtures natin, no? And then we have the same windows and we have the flooring na pare-parehas yung flooring niya, isa lang siya. So this is the second room. So yung napakita natin from the time that we entered and also outside, yun yung standard ng 40 square meters natin. Okay, but the owner requested for another room just in case the children visits them, no? So meron pa silang mga lugar. So this is the third room na may 60 square meters. Yan, ito yung additional. So, okay lang naman yung 6 square meters. Diba? You have one bed here, no? Parang ano lang siya, parang yan na yung pinaka, ano niya, yan, parang mas maliwanag at mas maganda ako. Okay, so that's our 40 square meter house, no? Now, some people are saying na parang, ang liit naman yung 40 square meters, no? Actually, the 40 square meters is more of like, as a starter house, parang beginner's house lang ito. And we want a small house that's easy to keep. No, some people are saying na, no, we want a big house. Mag-iipon na lang kami para makuha namin yung malaking bahay namin. Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. But the problem is, yung pag-iipon mo, by the time na nakaipon ka ng presyo nito ngayon, hindi na yun yung presyo. No, so my advice is that we continue to get the 40 square meter house, then we can either put stills or prepare it for second floor, or you can use this house as what we call the stepping stone house, wherein you're going to buy this one muna and then leave it so parang hindi ka magbayad ng rent, or rent it out, and after 2 or 3 years, tumaas yung presyo nito, at the same time, nag-iipon ka rin, no? And then we're going to sell it again. You come back to the office of Bastana Properties, you sell it again, and then you have enough money to use as down payment for the house, the size of the house that you really like. Mas magandang ilagay mo na dito sa property na ito para mas mabilis yung appreciation. Because the appreciation of the house is about 20% per year. Hindi naman kikita yung savings mo na 20%. So kahit mag-ipong ka, hindi aabot yung savings mo doon sa house na yun. So it's always better to, this is what you can afford for now, is just get a stepping stone house. So as you can see, the 40 square meter house is actually comfortable and good for starter families or for retirees or for those who wants to have the bigger house later on as your stepping stone house. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you like what you saw. Bastana Believers. Bye!